If you want to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE by using recovery mode, then you have to prepare the USB cable, as we will have to connect our smartphone to a computer. But before we do that, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So let's open the power menu and let's shut down our phone. Now we're gonna need to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And once you start pressing these two buttons together, you need to connect your smartphone to a computer. So let's do this, like so. And once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the power button and hold only volume up. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Over here, we navigate by using volume up and down. You want to choose wipe data / factory reset and confirm your choice by pressing the side button. And then over here, go to factory data reset and confirm your choice, and you should be able to hard reset via recovery mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.